Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily bulk create 30 YouTube shorts using Invideo. Let's begin. So here we are in Invideo.io, and this is the platform or the AI that we will be using in this video to create our 30 YouTube shorts easily. So first, what we're going to do is click here on sign up once you're here in Invideo.io. So click on sign up right here so that you would be redirected to the sign up page. But if you already logged in, then you will be prompted right here. So if you don't have an account yet and you'd be signed up, then you would need to connect your Google account or your other accounts right there, or you could just provide your email just like that. It's very easy. You don't have to worry about it. And from here, once you successfully signed up and you have now your account, then click here on create new at the top right. And from here, you're going to go for AI text to video. Click on it. And from here, you would select a template on which one would suit your videos right here. So for me, I think I'll be going for this one right here, this restaurant promo, because in this example, our niche will be food. So our video niche would be about food. So click on it. And from here, you would be able to also select the size. So you have landscape, square, and portrait options. So in my case, I'll be going for portrait right here since we are going to make YouTube shorts. So once you're done, then click on use template. And from here, all we have to do is click on it right there, and it's now loading. And now all we have to do is paste the script. So to get our script, we'll need to use ChatGPT. So open ChatGPT right here, or you could go for chat.openai.com right here. But in my case, I'll just go for this one right here, ChatGPT right here. So from here, you can go and ask ChatGPT to give me 30 YouTube shorts ideas about foods. So specifically about how to cook as a beginner. Maybe just like that. And as you can see, ChatGPT will provide us 30 YouTube shorts ideas right here. And afterwards, after it has provided us the ideas, then we can ask ChatGPT to give me the scripts for each ideas. Make it 30 seconds, 45 seconds long each. And then it would provide us the script right here. And now, as you can see, it's like this. And now we have the script. And all we have to do is just paste it right here. So for example, we would have this knife skills 101 right here. So we'll be pasting this right here, copying this right here, and paste it right here. And from here, what I like to do is that I separate the sentences. So I will do it like this. And just like that. Just like that. And take note that you can also ask ChatGPT to do the script like this, where it's one line per sentence right here. And after that, you can select your stock images and videos that you'd like to get here, but you would need premium to avail these options right here. So once you're done pasting your script right here, then you can go click here on create scenes. And let's now wait for it to complete. And now, as you can see, it's now completed, and now we have it right here. And as you can see, I have different scenes right here, and as you can observe, it's one sentence per scene. That is the purpose why I made it in the script. If you remember, I separated it one line per sentence. So this is the result right here. In total, I have 7 scenes. So it would mean that for each scene, there would be a video played out, and this would be narrated right here. And for you to add a narration or voiceover into your video, you want to click here at the bottom. It says voiceover, click on it. And then this would appear right here. So from here, you can actually add a voiceover by clicking here. And you can go from automated text to speech, or you can just upload your own voiceover file if you have that. Or you can record your own voice right here by clicking it right here on record voiceover. So you could also do that, and you also have other things that you can do to edit your video right here. Just as easily, if you want to change the scenes, then you can go here in the videos tab, and from here you can see the videos that you can use here in your video. And same goes for the images, the music, the text right here. There are a lot of things that you can do right here with just a simple click right here. There is no need for you to specialize in editing, to have special editing skills, because this is very simple here in Invideo. There is absolutely no hard thing to do here. And for templates, right here, you can also change your templates if you want to. If you have changed your mind, or if you see a better one right here, then you can also do that right here in Invideo. And you can also add the scenes, you can see the layers right here, and so on. And if you're done editing your video and you're satisfied with your video, then you can click here on the upgrade to export button right here. So you can click this, and you'll be able to export your video if you have a upgraded version or account right here in video. So you would actually need to upgrade in order for you to export your video that you have created right here. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.